Punch EV kakali electric kepadang spelida ke Tata Motors ke bapaka bhabannya akin nong ba kum juru syakin nong kendong namaru battery UI hadu saus pa ar 2 kilometer. Tada pikwa ban test drive ya ke kakali electric pila banuan ke showroom jaga Frank Motors ke bahapo lat korban hamau lain mau.
Tata.tv
Menteri Ketena Social Welfare ke Jelang uba Paul Lingdo ulong ba kidan shipautli ki rehabilitation center ha ke Jelang hakine ki shipautli ki center laban pediang hapadeng khatsan hadu arpongot ki bangop ho drugs habo juba hapo ke yen dorbar menta ke singi ya ke jingkli ke bawan raw MLA ke mauring keneng uba Hivingson Karpran uba Paul ulai thu ba kidan lailak ngot AA ki bangop ho drugs ha ke Jelang halor ke jingkli ke balabu uba Arden halor kanno ke sorkar kalayo pediang na ke sorkar pedeng uba apor ulong ba nagabenta ke snam arjar puwe hado arjar puar ke sorga jala kelayo priang iwe point ar pulak Menteri ulong ba banyakun new drugs lemba ke dream project lapli ki shlam pelait no drugs ki samla hakalengi jaka hak jala pat ke jala kelambang san phuklur hapo ke project dream nagabenta san snam Menteri ulong ba ke jing job ban yele persha drugs kelakot shaka ar 4% bat ke kai pot halor kini lalum ni kitna sorkar kitna ni ki kenhon shimet kat bau ba adalba nongru mula bu jingkeli syai la bu iki drugs ba kurup uba por loong ba ki drugs ki bala yo kurup lapin janno pat kamdon ka jingbori bat wat Yau drugs lapin jot daga batang karkhana Hajante Hills ulong ba ki jaka ba shakta bhau drugs ki dei hasor shillong ki dan henriutli ki di addiction center ki bakershan ka sorka jala bat ka we ka bakershan ka sorkar pedeng
The total number of rehabilitation centers in the state of Meghalaya is 10. B, the total number of drug addiction rehabilitation centers that have been set up in East Khas Hills district is 5. In East Khas Hills, funded by the state government are as follows. Kripa Foundation De-Addiction Center for Children, for Boys at Mau Kasyang, New Shillong, East Khas Hills. Number 2, KJPA New Hope De-Addiction Center for Women, Mau Kasyang, New Shillong, East Khas Hills District. 3, New Life De-Addiction Center for Men, Jaran, KGP Sinot Semi-Urban Mission, Mau Tawar, Shillong, East Khas Hills. Centers funded by the central government. 1, KGP New Hope De-Addiction Center for Men, Mau Kasyang, New Shillong, East Khas Hills District. Centers privately managed. 1, Suncare for both men and women, Maulai Mauro, East Khas Hills, Shillong, East Khas Hills District. As the latest surveys indicate, there would be roughly almost 3 lakh numbers of drug addicts in the state. And as far as treatment is concerned, all of the patients referred to these centers are treated as per their condition, and they would be released from these centers based on recommendations by the professional doctors. So all of, as far as manpower is concerned, the centers conform to the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, which is a scheme supported by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. As far as the professional qualifications, all of the staff of these centers are professionals having qualified under different courses and mainly catering to psychotherapy and psychotherapy and physiotherapy. And the total number as per the guidelines under the National Action Plan ranges from 7 to 10. So it's a very exhaustive statement, but I would just like to cite some instances. For example, in the district of West Jaintia Hills, we have in 2020 to 21 patients treated, 21-22, 55, 22-23, 65, 23-24, 131, altogether 272 cases. And the number of patients admitted is determined by the availability of beds and the duration of the stay.
Thank you, sir. One more supplementary question. So I would like to know the types of drugs being recorded in the last 5 years.
So it's a whole range of drugs, beginning from drugs that are considered to be at the entry level, up to drugs of very highly toxic, and so the range includes all types of drugs and narcotics that are used across the country, and it's again a very exhaustive list of such drugs. But in most cases, sir, the treatment that is being offered caters to the different types of diseases that emanate from the use of such drugs. So under the DREAM mission, which is the acronym for the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, the state government has moved for the creation of more de-addiction centers throughout the state of Meghalaya. As of today, except for East Khas Hills districts, the rest of the districts in the state have been identified as gap districts for setting up of district de-addiction centers and addiction treatment facilities in government health settings. We have moved for the creation of de-addiction centers for males in West Garo Hills, detoxification center in Riboy district, de-addiction center for females in West Jaintia Hills, de-addiction centers in West Jaintia Hills and West Garo Hills, setting up of 3 outreach and drop-in centers in Riboy, West Khas Hills and West Garo Hills district, setting up of 4 community peer-led intervention in West Garo Hills, Riboy, East Jaintia Hills and Southwest Khas Hills, and setting up of de-addiction centers in prison settings in West Jaintia Hills, West Garo Hills and Riboy districts. So these are currently part of our action plans.
So, sir, the minister is not getting my question. I'm asking a simple question. How much the state of Meghalaya has received the financial assistance under this program so far till today?
So till 2021-22, the state government has received a total sanction of 1,30,000 rupees only for the fiscal year 2021-22. The concern raised by the honorable member is very laudable. I believe that he and the rest of this house will also appreciate the fact that a new government has just taken over at the center, and already attempts have been made on the part of the government of Meghalaya to access more funding from the ministry in order for us to be able to tackle the problem on a war footing. To reply to the earlier query of the honorable member, it is true that the government at the center is a continuation of the earlier regime. But then it is also equally true that a new council of ministers has taken over, meaning that there is a new minister in charge there has been a change in the bureaucratic setup, and also the fact that on our own, since the launch of the DREAM mission, the state government has earmarked a total amount of 50 crore rupees on our own to combat the menace of drug trafficking, apart from accessing funding from the center, for which I have already managed to establish contacts with the ministry in Delhi and will be calling on the minister in charge as soon as this session is over. Two, where the figure of the reduction is concerned, these are all based on official statistics available with us, and I will be happy to share those statistics with the House. So in each of these centers, which I have named, there is an average intake capacity of 15 to 20 patients. So the figures that led us to this conclusion were based on a comprehensive collection of data and statistics sourced from different agencies, both government and private. And at the end of this survey, it has been shown that the success rate in tackling the problem of drug addiction and narcotics in Meghalaya is around 20%. And this is all based on these various surveys conducted, after which we arrived at this figure. So it is not just a tall claim made by the government, it is based on surveys, statistics, and researches done. So the figure is not readily available with me, but I can assure the member that the treatment of all of these patients is very exhaustive, and a patient is only allowed to leave once we are satisfied that he is in a condition to be considered a normal citizen who is drug-free.